In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on WordPress in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a blog, setting up an online store, or just want to enhance your site's design, zooming in on your WordPress dashboard can improve your workflow by making text and images more accessible and easier to edit. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll navigate and manage your site with greater ease. First off, start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to wordpress.com. This platform is a powerful tool that enables you to build a site, sell products, start a blog, and more. The homepage welcomes you with several options, but our focus for now is on logging into your account. Once you're at the WordPress homepage, you'll need to log into your account to access your site's dashboard. Look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed, so click on that to proceed. Are you using Google as your primary email service? If so, WordPress has made it extremely convenient for you. Upon clicking login, you'll see an option to continue with Google. Selecting this option simplifies the process by linking your Google account directly with WordPress, eliminating the need for additional usernames and passwords. After choosing to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select which of your Google accounts you'd like to use. This step is particularly handy if you manage multiple Google accounts. Simply click on the account you wish to link with WordPress and you're almost there. Following the account selection, you'll encounter a consent screen asking permission to link your chosen Google account with WordPress. This is a standard security step to ensure you're aware of the account linkage and its permissions. Click on Continue to grant approval and finalize the linking process. Once you've successfully logged in through your Google account, it's time to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens. From posting new content to customizing your site, the dashboard is your control room. To get there, look for the My Home option, usually visible once you're logged in, which leads you directly to the back end of your chosen WordPress site. Now for the main event, zooming in on your WordPress dashboard. This step is incredibly straightforward, but can make a big difference in your user experience. Simply press Ctrl or Command on Mac, along with the plus sign, plus on your keyboard. Each press magnifies the view further, allowing you to see text, images, and elements with increased clarity. To zoom out, you would press Ctrl or Command on Mac, along with the minus sign. Zooming in can enhance your precision in design tasks, make text editing less straining on the eyes, and overall make your WordPress management experience more comfortable. Also, remember that this zoom functionality is not limited to WordPress. It can be used across most browsers and websites, making it a versatile trick in your digital know-how toolbox. Now that you know how to easily zoom in and out on your WordPress site, editing, customizing, and managing your content should be a breeze. This small tip can significantly impact your productivity and comfort while working on your site. Remember, it's the little things that sometimes make the biggest difference. And that wraps up our quick guide on how to zoom on WordPress. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your website building and blogging journey just a bit easier. Remember, whether you're crafting your next post, adjusting a design element, or simply navigating through your dashboard, being able to zoom in and out on demand is an invaluable skill in your toolkit. Happy zooming, and see you in the next video.